We are still investigating what happened, but we are quickly gathering details. The preliminary investigation points to an accident. We haven't seen any credible evidence of a terrorist attack. We can confirm that the crew notified authorities of a power issue. Many of the vehicles were stopped before they got onto the bridge, which saved lives in a very, very heroic way.
It's my intention that the federal government will pay for the entire cost of reconstructing that bridge, and I expect the Congress to support my effort.